Tesla has achieved something no other automaker can guarantee. It's made a moderately reasonable electric auto, the Model 3, that a huge number of individuals are arranging to purchase. The main issue is that Elon Musk and friends can't deliver enough of them. Drowsy yield since the Model 3 dispatch in July 2017 has disappointed fans and jumbled Wall Street. That is the reason Bloomberg manufactured its own particular device to gauge the quantity of Model 3s taking off of the industrial facility in Fremont, California. This projection depends on vehicle identification numbers. VIN's novel series of digits showed on each new auto sold in the U.S. Our best gauge is that Tesla has fabricated 19,624 Model 3s up until now, and is presently assembling roughly 2,733 7 days. Those figures, and the graphs underneath, speak to Bloomberg's most recent gauges and will consequently refresh to reflect changes in the information. We've been following VINs that Tesla registers with U.S. well-being controllers. The Advanced Ban framework was institutionalized start in 1954 with a specific end goal: to forestall auto robbery. Today, VINs are as often as possible used to speed up reviews. By sending advanced solicitations to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration site, we can get a decent picture of what number of VINs have been enrolled for Model 3s at any given time. We track the quantity of VINs between group enrollments and utilize the quantity of mediating days to assess a generation rate. There are breaking points to this strategy. Automakers enroll VINs in substantial groups that expect coming creation, which implies that numbers will be doled out before another auto begins its trip down the sequential construction system. There's hypothetically no restriction to the quantity of VINs Tesla may enlist in a group. In 2010, Tesla turned into the main traded on an open market car maker to rise in the U.S. in 54 years. Presently, its reasonable worth opponents, Ford and General Motors organizations delivering requests of extend a greater number of vehicles than Tesla. The vast majority of the autos Tesla offers today are evaluated to contend with extravagance models made by Mercedes, BMW and Porsche. In any case, Tesla CEO Elon Musk needs his electric auto organization to end up a predominant large-scale manufacturing player that in the end stretches out its compass to electric trucks and past the Model 3, with a sticker cost as low as $35,000, yet as of now just accessible in more costly designs, is Tesla's initial step into the standard. That arrangement just works if the organization can make sense of how to make exponentially more autos. What's more, as frequently occurs with Musk's forceful objectives, Tesla has over and again missed the mark concerning its own assembling targets.